Well, first you got to select all, copy it, then you paste it, and there it is pasted. Now here's the first frame. We want this first frame to turn into an image. So we go to the second one and say, well, let's just duplicate what's in that first one. So there we've got it there, and we've got it there. Once I go in my first frame, I can choose it, and again, size it, drag it and drop it. I can go to this frame, and it's where it was before. Now if I want to, I could take and get rid of this frame. Let's see if I get rid of it. And I tell it, okay, duplicate the frame before it. Oh, the frame's already there. I can't duplicate it because it's already there. Okay, so it's in that frame and it's in that frame. In this frame I can take it and do the same thing. I can shrink it down. I can move it. I can rotate it. And in the next frame, I can say duplicate it again. And there it is again. I choose it and I move it. And I can change what I want to it. But it's every frame. Now I can go down here and change it and say here's another keyframe I want to duplicate. But it's not going to do anything in between. It will stay the same place and do nothing until it gets to that point right there. So if we back it up and we'll slow it way down, just watch it. Stays right where it's at till it goes to the third one, and there it is. Now what you can do is in here, say here's a frame. At this point right here, if you want to, you can draw on it. I'll get my pen here. If you want to, you can draw on it. Because this is an altogether different frame. If I back up here, the drawing's not there. It's not there, but there it's in. And if I go away from it, it stays there. It stays with it until it moves location. So this is how you animate with Krita. Krita is a draw program. It's a paint program. A lot of tools, a lot of brushes, a lot of everything. You don't have to import an image at all. What you do is you draw your individual images, or you can import them whatever you want to. It's very interesting because you say, let's say we're at this point right here, and I go, let's just do this. And I go to that one right there. And if I want to, I can say, where was that at before? There. And it shows the places that it's going to be, where it's going to be, and what it looked like. And there's the one down below, which is what the drawing is I made. So I could take that drawing here, then go here, go here, and go here. And then if I back it all the way up and do the animation,